Hey, what's up YouTube? It's Not Now 101 here, and I'm going to show you my new camcorder today. This is a Sony Handycam DCR SR32, 30GB hard drive. Yeah, it's not HD, but that doesn't bother me. I had it for about 2 or 3 months, and my friend skateboarded straight into it, as you've probably seen on one of the other videos, and he knocked it flying. And every now and then it does happen when it's in this angle sometimes, but it does this. It's filming normally, but turn it this way, it's still fine, right? But if I angle it, because it can go back like this, if you angle it, watch what happens. See that? Just to prove that is filming. Just put my hand in front of the camera. Well, it's not filming, but it's in the viewfinder. But the screen, the picture seems to be rolling off and back on, so if you move it back this way, it stops. It's only when you get to there. And obviously if it's this way and you get to there, the screen shuts off anyway. So it does happen on this screen sometimes. Sometimes when I turn it on, the little Handycam logo starts rolling, and my first thought of it, what it could be is the ribbon cable, which is like this cable that runs from the screen to the camera, and it's between here, and that could be loose, or it could be damaged or something like that. So I'm going to take the casing off the screen, have a little look inside there and see if it's unplugged a little bit or something, and yeah, second part of this video will be in a minute.